Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to mute audio in Invideo. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Invideo studio. After navigating here, click on My Projects and open any project that you're working on. So here I have this video track and the audio track. The audio track will always be in green color at the bottom. So if I would want to mute this audio, I will have to simply right click here on this green timeline and I will have these options. Under these options, I will have to choose mute and this will mute my audio in this timeline. Now in order to unmute it, right click here and click on unmute. Also, the shortcut key for muting an audio is M. This will instantly mute the audio. So click on M to unmute it and click on M to mute it again. And that's a simple way to mute audio in Invideo. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.